Family, let's make this shabu shabu honey glazed ribs. Okay, so I've got my smoked Adan session salt and I've added that to my sweet potatoes and the rose harissa comes into being. I've melted some coconut oil, drizzled that over, rubbed everything in. Just make sure everything is intact. I've got my Kobe salt that goes into the ribs and the Holy Grail blend. Also available on Ndudu.com. Makes cooking life much easier, I'd say. And I've just rubbed everything together. Preheated the oven to 180 degrees. And then here I drop this, yes, on top of the potatoes. Because of course, once it cooks, that infusion will take place and that drip will just go into the potatoes, as you can tell. I had some sage leaves, dry sage leaves that I added to it. And here I've got my fermented garlic honey, which is infused also with the grains of salim. This is a flavor zone, yes. And I drizzle that over. And I'm just going to bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. And that turns the garlic into like garlic candy. Now here we have our pièce de résistance. Look at it. It's coconut infused as well. Drop, drop, drop. Anyway, so this is your dish. Bish, bash, bosh, ready, no stress. And here I've got that beautiful sweet potatoes, that candy-like garlic, as well as some honey beans. And this is chopped pizza food for me. Yes.